Hey guys, my name is Tyler on my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Black Friday or Cyber Monday edition Nintendo Switch bundle. I ripped the box a little bit because I had to do this video over trying to open it. Just like a little bit right here I ripped. But this is the box, and it comes with the Neon edition, Joy-Con edition. Switch with Mario Kart 8 and a 3-month online card. I feel like in the history of like cyber deals and stuff, this is great Nintendo-wise because it didn't just come with a game or like a game in a case. It came with an online card. It came with everything that you should use to go online with. Like you got a game, and a game that is for online, and you got the online card, so you can use it. So if you don't have any other games and you to play online, it literally comes with one. You can play online, you can play solo. It's like a party game, and Mario Kart 8 in the stores is always $60 new on its own. So I spent $299 with tax, so like 300 something, 315 or something like that, and it would have been 360 with these two. Then with this card, about 370-ish, and then with tax, maybe could have came close to $400, but I got it for $100 less. This is a deal of a lifetime, in my opinion. And it has a pretty box, like even the back. Look at that. Like, this is a really good gift to give someone, especially your kids on Christmas, because you don't have to worry about it getting a game. You got a game that's actually good. It's not like one of those bundles where the games are like not too great, you know. Or you pick it up and you're like, I want another game, Mom. Like, you know, if you have a kid, it's actually a good game. It comes with the Joy-Cons, which you can make into two. So you can even play right out of the box straight with friends. It has an online membership for 3 months, so you don't have to worry about them crying about a membership to online, you know, anytime soon. And you can play this specific game that you got with it online. So, like, it's great. The only thing you should get, like, is a extra is a case for your Switch or, like, a tempered glass, things like that. But those are just, like, side things. But this comes with everything you need to actually play it and have fun and, you know, even play with your friends online straight from the box. So those side things, you're saving a lot of money. Just take that extra 20 bucks and go get yourself a case, like extra. All right, so now we are gonna try to open this box because I always have I feel dumb. Right on the bottom, that's where you open it. When I say I'm a goofball, I really am. All right, we got this. Oh, I'm so excited. All I have is a Switch Lite, which I am going to show you. Stand by. This is my Switch Lite with a tempered glass on it from only Five Below for $5, and it's worked well. And this like little thing, you have it on it to like kind of grip it, and it can hold some games for $12 at GameStop. But yeah, that's my Switch Lite. I'll keep it by actually in case I need it. I think I'm just gonna sell the Switch Lite honestly to get a little money, because why not? I mean, if I'm not gonna use it, I'm not the type of person where I would use that again. So I mean, this little device is great, but if I have a different one, I'm not really gonna need this one. So oh, I just love this new box smell, and I love when you just open it and oh. And if you hear whistling, that's my bird birding, guys, so just so you know. Oh my god. Let's see how comparison with that screen. Ooh, it is a little bit bigger. I'm guessing the OLED is a lot bigger then. Alright, we got the Joy-Cons. I don't know if you call this red or pinkish red, orange. I don't know, it's like a weird color. And then blue, my favorite color of all time. Ooh, crinkle. Alright, and then we got this like box thing. We always get our little manuals and stuff. I got a full game download, and you cannot steal it because you have to scratch it off. So try if you want. Well, yeah, so a game download of Mario Kart 8, and I don't actually have this game yet, so that's cool. This one, obviously, you have to scratch it off too, my 3-month card. We got our little warranty thingies and different things, health information. Of course, we get our standard stuff. This thing, I love this because it makes it into a controller to play on the TV. You just put your Joy-Cons in each one, and yeah, now a controller. We got these, which go onto it. Gives it a little grip and stuff. You get 2 of those. You get, you know, obviously you get your cords and stuff to plug in and all that. Charge it, to plug it into the wall if you want to play it in dock mode. And then you get the dock. So, oof. Nintendo Switch, you get the dock. I miss having a dock, oof. And then I got my Switch Lite. So like, this Switch Lite was great because you get the opportunity of playing all the Switch games you want on this for only $200. Or used, you can get it for like $160, $170. But if you want to play on the TV and stuff, you don't get the opportunity of having it into a controller, to take it off if you want to add different styles of Joy-Cons to it and things. And obviously you can't play on the TV. But, you know, the Switch Lite is great for the price. It's great for taking it out places. But if you're never gonna go on the TV with it, this is great. But if you want to be able to do both, like me now, like at first I thought I would only want to play it handheld, but I kind of want to play it on the TV now. Like as I'm getting older, I'm realizing like I got the Switch Lite and I kind of want to play it on the TV and I can't. Like you can't even buy a separate dock for a Switch Lite to even put it on the TV if you wanted to. Like there's no separate thing you can buy for it. So this is going to be great for me. I also ordered from Five and Below. Some people laugh, but it worked great on this one. I ordered a screen protector for this one, and I ordered a little case for it. So yeah, and that's coming in the mail along with some Christmas gifts for some family. So after that, I'll be all set. I'll have some protection for it, you know, a case, tempered glass, all that. A new game, an online card. Like, I'm set with everything. Like, best deal ever. If for some reason, like, I don't know if this was only a Black Friday or Cyber Monday deal. If you happen to just come across it somehow, if you left, don't miss this opportunity because you'll probably regret it. See you guys next time. Tiny Tie out. Peace.